10 SEO techniques all startups should be using. If you are a startup entrepreneur, chances are good that search engine optimization is the last thing on your mind. After all, why should you worry about things like keyword phrases and backlinks when there are 100 of other items on your to-do list all clamoring for your attention? Unfortunately, the mindset is extremely short-sighted. It doesn't matter how innovative your product or services are. If people can't find you online, you are going to have a seriously tough time sustaining the momentum you need to propel a growing business to success. So instead of diminishing the tremendous potential involved with SEO, consider implementing any or all of the following techniques into your startup marketing plans. Technique 1. Identify target keyword. My opinion, a startup's marketing goal should be to identify at least a handful of potential SEO keywords to target within the natural search result and then optimize the site accordingly. This list should include keyword phrases that your potential customer are actually entering into the search engine and that aren't too competitive to rank for your site. Once identified, this keyword should be integrated into your site in key areas, including your page title, your heading tag, and your body content. Don't force it through excessive inclusion, but do take advantage of SEO values. This position hold in to inform the search engine about the subject of your web content. Technique 2. Implement branding efforts. However, while it's important to identify and target SEO keywords for use in your startup marketing plans, it's also vital that you begin the branding process as early as possible in your company's tenure. There is no arguing with the fact that Google loves brand, considering that the search engine must rely on quantifiable metrics in order to evaluate website quality for display in the natural search result. Branded elements remain one reliable bellwether that can be used to indicate viewers' valuation. To get started capturing this benefit for your startup website, decide on a set logo, color scheme, tagline, and promotional phrasing as early as possible, and use this element consistently across your web presence. Consider working with a graphic designer and marketing consultant if you don't feel capable of coming up with cohesive brand on your own. Technique 3. Focus on content creation. Running a company's blog on which you post product updates, industry's new reaction, or other personal interest pieces is a vital part of SEO for two reasons. First, publishing content to your site regularly increases the number of different keywords present on your site. By improving keywords exposure, you may find yourself earning free SEO traffic via natural search phrase you never even targeted on your site. Technique 4. Commit to social networking. Truth be told, for many startup entrepreneurs, participating on popular social networking sites can seem like yet another core to be added to the to-do list. Don't let yourself fall into this trap. Both Google and Bing have acknowledged that social signal, including link share and brand mention on some social network status updates, are currently playing a role in natural SERP's ranking, which means that maintaining a presence on this site is vitally important for your startup SEO. If all the possible, make it priority to invest at least 10-20 minutes each day posting to the social networking site and interacting with the people who follow your company's profile on this site. Technique 5. Connect with social networking power user. While you are spending time on popular social media sites, it's also a good idea to take the time to connect with the power of users on this platform. Not only is the relative authority of this social networking participant taken into account when this social networking participant weighted the social Signal, Google and other search engine detect for your brand. A single link share from one of the influencer could result in a significant influence of traffic and customers on your site. Technique 6. Install Google Analytics. Another foundation to web success that all startups should consider is the ability to measure and test different metrics. Together, the data needed to do this effectively, you'll want to install a program like Google Analytics. It's free and easy to use, and it provides an incredible wealth of information that can be used to improve your website conversion rate. Technique 7. Set up Google Analytics goal. Speaking of the conversion rate, once you have got Google Analytics installed, you'll want to take time to establish website goals and set up the necessary event tracking features to determine how well your website is performing. Because Google Analytics goals allows you to identify whether or not website visitors are engaging with your site the way you envision, they are a vital part of making your site as effective as possible. Technique 8. Invest in a link building campaign. While optimizing your website for your chosen SEO and brand keyword phrase is important, it's only half of the optimization battle. The second primarily SEO aim, you'll want to pay attention to it in the link building, as in the process of getting another website the point link to your content. Technique 9. Try guest posting. One link building technique that deserves special mention here is guest posting. As a guest author, you connect with other websites in your industry to provide guest blog posts in exchange for a link back to your site. When done well, you will receive a high quality, highly relevant backlink, and you will also stand to receive additional traffic due to transfer of perceived recognition of your content by referring site author. Technique 10. Launch press release. Finally, one link building technique that's especially effective for startup entrepreneur is to use the press release. Whenever your company has something newsworthy to report, write a provocation press release and send it out through a distribution service like PR Web. Thanking you. For more info, log on to www.ideastack.com.